Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can hide your number on your Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. Maybe you want to prank someone, maybe you want it to be a surprise that you're calling, and for that you want to hide your number. For that you need to go to your phone icon, go to the three little dots, go to settings, and now you need to go to supplementary services and click on show your caller ID, and here you can say never, always, or network default. We want to set it to never. We'll never show our caller ID. If you've done it, you can just go back and then your number will be hidden when you're calling someone. To undo that again, you just need to go back, settings, supplementary services, and then just click on network default or always. You can just go back again and whatever you set there, your number will be shown or your number will be hidden. So that's how you can hide your number on your Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.